Why, hello, everybody. Welcome to week 8, the halfway point here in Court Systems. Will be a real brief weekly update. We do have some important things going on this week, including our second exam. So let me get out of the way and we'll talk about what we've got going on. Okay, this week we have got, we'll be looking at Chapter 8 on judges. So start working on your exam review because you're going to have to submit it before you can take the exam, which is also due this week. We need to be working on it to complete it as you read the chapter in the book, as you watch the video. Also, you'll need to take the quiz and make at least 100. Okay, you only have to make a 70, but there's no reason not to retake it till you make a 100. Some of those quiz questions are going to be on exam number 2, so you want to make sure you do that. Then you want to complete your original post. Most people have been doing them correctly, with a few missing some of the follow-up posts, but at least most have gotten the original post correctly, including what you found most interesting about the chapter and your exam review. And you really want to complete your follow-up post to discussion number 7 and, quite frankly, to discussion number 8 before you take the exam, because it will help you in studying for the exam. At any rate, you have to complete at least your original post and all your quizzes before exam 2 will be visible to you. So make sure you get that done. And then again, you'll need to take exam 2. Now go back and see how well you did on exam 1, and if you didn't do as well as you would like, spend a little bit more time studying. If you now know what the exams are like, get your notes organized, get your notes open in an electronic format, all in one document, so it's easier to search. Have your book available. If it's an online version, open it before you start the exam so you're not using some exam time. Then complete the entire exam before you start looking up any questions. Any questions. Always answer every question, including that bonus question, which is worth 5 points. Once you answer that, then you go back and check all the questions that you weren't sure of, and you do that by making a note of them. Get your head notepad and pen and just write down which numbers you want to go back and look at. And the only other thing I want to mention is you do have your court observation paper, which is due after spring break on the 24th of this month, so you've actually got about 20 days to complete it. If you haven't gone to court, you can always do the virtual court. They'll be holding court next week in Harris County online, and you can get your 2 hours of court time in by during spring break when you weren't in class, if you're not out going out of town. So make sure you get that done and get the paper completed in time to have somebody else look at it before you submit it. Well, that's all I've got for you today. Good luck on the exam, and y'all have a great spring break.